Hello guys, how are you today? Today we have one of the coolest unboxings. We've got a t-shirt unboxing, and of course I have a Machinist t-shirts. And for this time I've got only one print, but in three different colors. We've got the black one, white, and gray. So let's unbox them together and take a closer look at them. Let's go. And so here we have the first one, of course the black one. It says from the front, Le Printemps in French. It means spring. And from the back, same thing with the flower behind it and some quote, I think, below it. It's very nice, very cool, very simple one. And yeah, let's see the rest of them. So what do you think, guys, of this t-shirt unboxing? Hopefully you enjoyed it. And tell me which one is your favorite color. Have a nice day, guys. See you in the next video. Cheers.